All right, hey, Mary Catherine again, Kitchen Design Concepts, design remodel firm, Dallas Fort Worth. Number 3, I guess, video in our series about cooking at home, talking a little bit about kitchens, designs, and things like that. My cameraman today, this is how the family all participates, my 16-year-old son, Parker, who is home doing distance learning. So, 2 things today, this morning, real quick. We're going to go in the refrigerator in a second, but I want you to look at my refrigerators, and you will see that they have a non-traditional swing for the handles. In my kitchen, which you've seen a couple of times, the refrigerators are way on the end and kind of out of the way. So had I done a traditional freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right, and open it like this, I would always have to walk around, open this up, see this here, get what I wanted, put it down, and close the refrigerator. Well, that doesn't make any sense in this particular layout, and this particular design, and the degree that I cook, and my family cooks. So, both of these are installed with the left hinge. Phenomenal. I can get in the freezer, no problem, get out what I need, and it's super easy to get in the refrigerator and get what I want, and I don't have to step all the way around. We do this design in certain situations when the refrigerators are in a place like this, and there's some other times when it's good. If you ever have a question about that, talk to, if you're working with us, we hope you are, ask your designer and she can give you her opinion on that. All right, so the reason we're getting the refrigerator today, what are we gonna have for dinner tonight? I gotta see what we've got. So down here in the produce drawer, let's see what we've got. We've got some broccoli. Try to use things that are kind of getting old, that are fresh. Zucchini, I used that last night. Some of those are starting to get kind of soft. Oh, look. Okay. Cauliflower. Ha! Jennifer and Parker, do you like cauliflower or do you love cauliflower, Parker?
No, I definitely love cauliflower.
Uh-huh. So what do we got here? We got cauliflower. What can I do with cauliflower? Trying to clean stuff out. I've got yogurt. That could maybe, I could do something maybe Middle Eastern, right? Planks or something with some spices. Oh, hey. Oh, these are from a party, goat cheese. Ha! I think we can make cauliflower cakes with cauliflower and goat cheese. Maybe we'll have that tonight and some grilled chicken. How does that sound to you?
Sounds good.
How does that sound to you? Well, we'll find out. We'll check in with you later in the day. I think we'll do that. I imagine I have all the ingredients. I think I would, that you'd need for that. So, preparation part of dinner now. We did decide to go ahead and do cauliflower cakes. I am using a recipe from America's Test Kitchen, love them, the Complete Vegetarian Cookbook. And sure enough, cauliflower cakes. And I might even make a sauce, like a cucumber yogurt sauce. Earlier you heard me say I had some cucumber left. So I've got almost everything out. I'm not gonna video me prepping, that would be like super boring. But I wanna show you something. Look over here. So I did just a couple of preliminary things. This is a galley sink, and I'll do more on the galley sink in a future video. It's like the most amazing thing. It's like the greatest thing since sliced bread. Here, it's one of these level sinks, so you can put different things on the level. So here's my cutting board, and then I have a colander, and in here goes all the stuff as I'm prepping that I don't need, that I'll throw in the trash can. Super convenient. And then a drying rack, which we use for dishes and in certain other kinds of situations. So I am going to prep everything, and when we get to close, maybe doing a little something fun, we'll catch up and do the video. Okay, see you soon. All right, we just popped the cauliflower in the oven. It's gonna roast for about 25 minutes. When we made the cauliflower, it called for olive oil and some spices. We have ginger, turmeric, and coriander. So another thing I'm showing you in a kitchen design, something that you should love. These are door-mounted spice racks. They're amazing. The shelves are adjustable. Look, you can see the holes, so you can move them up and down as you want. And then there's a clear plexiglass front so you can see the labels. I am one of those people that does them alphabetically because I can always find them. However,
Did you say because you're OCD?
well, I need to be able to find them. I have a challenge though. I cannot reach here and here. So this is where teenage son comes in. Will you please put the ginger up there where it go? Look at that. Don't we wish? I wish that I could do that, but I don't have those kind of arms. Thank you, Parker. Appreciate you coming to help.
Thank you, Parker.
You're welcome.
So these are amazing. Talk to your designer about something like this. In the oven, we're gonna do some more prep. We'll catch you again in just a few minutes. So awesome, look. Cauliflower came out of the oven. It's cool, it's nice and brown. We've got some of these little chunks, so that'll be just perfect.
What all did you put in it?
It had turmeric, coriander, and ginger, olive oil, obviously, so it's
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. So it's gonna go in the bowl. Use the potato masher. We've got some lemon zest, which Jennifer did, garlic, scallions, green onions. So this will all go in, mix it up. Then here's the goat cheese, 4 ounces that we found in the refrigerator this morning. We'll get all that going, and then the binder is gonna be the egg and a little bit of flour. So we're gonna get those, they're gonna sit in the refrigerator for a little bit, kind of firm up, and then we'll do them on the stove. That'll help them, think of it like it's gonna be a crab cake, but it's not gonna have as much heaviness as a crab cake, so they need to be chilled a little bit. While that was cooking, I made a cucumber yogurt kind of sauce to put on top. So I had a Persian cucumber, yogurt, and the recipe called for dill. Didn't have dill, so I went out to the garden. Actually, Jennifer went out to the garden and got some parsley. So we used some parsley, garlic, and olive oil, and I put just a little dash of red wine vinegar. And salt and pepper, of course. And then here, the chicken is ready to go. Jennifer's gonna cook that outside on the grill. And given kind of the theme of this was some coriander and the turmeric on it, I decided to put a little Chinese 5 spice on that. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, so we're gonna be off and going here. Dinner maybe in 30 minutes. Okay, see you later. All right, look at this. So here are the cauliflower cakes. They look pretty awesome, don't they?
Except one's giant. Is that for
One is giant,
Is that for Parker?
Divide quarter. Put it in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it cool. Now, before I let you go away though, let me just call out. Look at the galley workstation here. So I prepped, did stuff here, took trash off, whatever, pushed it into the colander, and I can just go like this. I can take this out and look right in the trash. So how amazing is that? You just dump it in the trash. So I really love the galley workstation from that standpoint. And then bring this back and I'm good to go. Got to clean it, of course, but it's really great. Okay, we'll be back, I think probably as we finish. We'll finish them on the stove after they refrigerate for a little bit. They got to get a little hard so that they'll fry and stick together. All right, see you soon. Hey there. All right, look. Jennifer she's amazing on the grill outside, well, in many ways, but for sure on the grill outside.
And you know it, baby.
And so we've got the thighs and a breast, a little piece of chicken tender for her. Here's the sauce that I made earlier, kind of like a tzatziki sauce, but different. And then look, these are cauliflower cakes. Took them off, put a little paper towel underneath, the oil soaked off. You want to try one?
Yes, I do.
It's a big adventure.
So I'm gonna try one real quick.
And then, I don't know if you want any sauce, whatever you want.
Well, for the video, I'm gonna take the sauce because it's an adventure. So, hold on. I'm just gonna take that off real quick.
It's got good color. Yeah.
It does. This doesn't look like something I normally eat, but
you like cauliflower. We know you love cauliflower.
that's really good.
All right. There we go. From the mouth of a child. Tomorrow, I don't know what we're going to have, but we'll let you know in the morning.